good morning, everybody. Welcome to today's video. So if you've missed the other videos, I'm doing short 10-minute videos each day to give you introductory practice to all the workouts that I do, the formats that I teach, the moves, some of the very common moves, breaking them down, going slower so that you feel ready and confident to come to a full class in the new year, which is tomorrow. Happy New Year's Eve. Look at I decorated. So hi guys, welcome. My name is Kate. This is my virtual studio. I teach 4 classes a week online. We live stream Tuesday through Fridays, and you can catch the replays as well. So make sure you're in our Facebook group to find the class links. Those are all somewhere above or below this post, along with all the other daily videos that I've done the last month. They're really great. They're really great little 10-minute chunks for you to build up. But of course, the best way to learn is just to do. So if you want to just jump into a class with us, then do that too. Some people like to learn just by jumping in full force. All right, so today's video actually does fully build on yesterday's video. So if you've not done yesterday's, I'm going to put a card right up here. You do need to go back and do that one first because we're going to put today's moves onto yesterday's moves. We're building up the HIIT section. So in the cardio formats that I teach, the turbo kick classes and the cardio kickboxing, there's typically HIIT sections that are very fast-paced, high-intensity interval training, and they build up on each other. And so we're just going to go through and practice that and really practice moving fast, fast, fast. So like I said, this is my virtual studio. We do a quote of the day every day. Here was today. We did Soul Fusion was our class today. We just finished. And then let's get to the workout screen. So what's really great in my class is that we have a front view and a side view. So it's great because you can see the form and what you're supposed to be doing, which is helpful, right? And in my classes, we do turn the music up loud. We'll get the music up in just a moment. So today's moves, we're going to be doing a few moves, mashing them together, and then we're going to put them with yesterday's moves. So we're going to do the 7-step. 7-step is literally 7 fast steps. We're going to go one direction, and then on that 7th step, you're going to crunch your core, look at your watch. It's kind of dancey. And you're going to hold it for a split second, and then we go the other way. So it looks like this in slow motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold. And on that hold, my wrist comes up, my knee pops up, my core crunches. So I'm not leaning forward. I'm crunching and holding, and then we go the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold. And we just go back and forth, but it's very fast because it's a HIIT section. So the purpose is to get our heart rate spiked. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold. Okay? From there, our second move we're gonna do, also very common moves in our cardio kickboxing formats and turbo kick. We get a wide stance. We do the speed bag. We learned this the other day. We do a speed bag to the right. Then we switch, rainbowing the arms, and then we do a zigzag. So a zigzag, you're still in that wide stance. Imagine people are punching you from all sides, and you are zigzagging out of the way. So it's 4 side-to-side movements. Again, what's working? Abs, baby. Zig, zag, zig, zag, and then we do 2 little crunches. Hold, hold. I like to put my hands together there on the holds, and I like to dig my elbows back, like I'm digging behind me. That helps me engage my obliques. So, to speed, it looks like this. Speed bag, switch, speed bag, switch, zig, zag, zig, zag, hold, hold. Speed bag, switch, speed bag, switch, zig, zag, zig, zag, hold, hold. But it goes fast. All right, we're going to practice with the music. It is going to feel very fast if you've never done this before. So allow yourself to be a beginner. That is one of my favorite phrases of all time, and you just keep doing it. Let's try it. Now we're going to put it together with yesterday's moves with some really fun sound effects. All right, I'm going to turn the music up because we like it loud in my classes. I'm going to turn it up to, I won't turn it up as loud as I normally turn it up. We'll turn it up to right about there. Okay, let's do it. Okay, we got that 7-step to start, really fast feet. It's gonna feel like a shock. go, here we go. Here we go. 7 step to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold. Back and forth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at your watch. Boom. Yes. Hey, that speed bag is coming. Speed bag right here, white feet. Speed. Now switch. Now zigzag. 4, 3. Now hold it. Hold. Hold. Back to speed. Switch. Now zigzag. Now hold it. Back to the 7 step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. We're repeating. Boom. Now you know it. Hey. Back to speed bag right here. Go. Speed. Now switch. Now zigzag. And hold it. Crunch. Crunch. Speed. Switch. Zigzag. Crunch it. Hold. Hold. Boom. That's it. Now, if you need to practice that again, which you maybe do, which is totally great, rewind this video and do it again. We're going to put it together with this. Here we go. Here we go. Today right now. You guys, it's so fun. Are you having fun yet? Hey, here we go. Let me find the song first. That would be helpful. So, yesterday's moves, I'll do a really fast preview because you do need to remember them. Yesterday, remember we did knee with a punch, swipe, knee, swipe, and then we had the heels with the jump rope, heels with a hold, kind of like the 7-step, watch. You're looking at your watch, squeezing your shoulder. Then we go right into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold. Now we do the speed bag. Then we do the zigzag. I know it sounds like a lot. It is a lot. It's so fun, you guys. You just gotta keep coming back. Let's do it. Maybe we'll go through a couple times, depending on how gung-ho we feel. Hey, we got time, I think. All right. Ready to do it all? So we're starting with yesterday's move.
Let's go.
Got step knee with the swipes.
Round 88.
Okay. You're in for a treat. We move to the beat. Hey, that rhymes. Ready to step knee? Here it comes. Step to the right with your knee. Go. Step knee. Now 2 swipes. Again, 2 knees, 2 swipes. 2 more. How do you like those sound effects? Woo! Get down low for heels and jump rope. Go. Hold it. Hold. Hold. Quick. Hold. Hold. 2 more. Okay, we're going right to that 7-step. To the right. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Back and forth. Woo! Back feet. Boom. Here comes that speed bag. White feet. Now switch. Now zigzag 4. Hold it. Crunch. Back to speed. Switch. Zigzag. Hold it. Back to 7. And line. We're done. Hey, should we do it one more time? Let's do it one more time. So this is the music for tomorrow. We're going to build every day, you guys, and we're going to build it up to be this one, I think it's a minute, or maybe it's a little bit longer. One full hip section. Let's try that one more time, okay? One more time. And then I will let you go. Hey, who's out of breath? Woo! It's still really cold in here. No heat. That's why I'm wearing my cat sweatshirt.
Let's go.
All right. Same thing.
Round 88.
Same thing. We're going to start with those punches and the swipes. And then we go straight into all the other moves. No breaks. Ready to rock out? Here we go. Step and knee. Go. Step, knee. Now 2 swipes. 2 knees. 2 swipes. Make a big. Swipe. Knees. Swipes. Get down low. Heels. Hold it. Hold. Hold again. Yes. Hey, that 7-step is coming. Ready? To the right. Go. Other way. Woo. Keep going. Fast. We got this. Hey, speed bag right here. Go. Speed. Now switch. Now zigzag. Hold it. Crunch. Crunch. Back to speed. Switch. Zigzag. Hold it. Go. for us. Okay, I'm out of breath. Sorry. Okay, turning music down. There we go. You guys, that's part of a HIIT section. We're building it up. We're getting there. Okay, so when you come to my classes every day, you get a sticker. This is our sticker from today. Bling in the new year. So you guys, I hope you had fun. I hope you're getting excited to build the rest of the HIIT. We're going to build the rest of that HIIT section the next few days. And pretty much by, I don't know, early next week, you'll know the whole HIIT section. And just doing that HIIT section alone is like an amazing little cardio burst that you could do throughout your day anytime, really. It's really good. So what else? I think that's it, you guys. Like I said, make sure you are in the Facebook groups. Those are linked above or below this video. Follow me on these platforms if you're on any of these platforms. Find our Facebook groups. Did I already say that? Do the other challenges. Subscribe to the channel. All the things. All right, you guys. Have an amazing New Year's Eve and happy 2021. All right, bye.